Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGlob YouTube channel. In this demonstration, we will learn how to install Hyper-V in Windows Server 2022. And what is Windows Server Hyper-V? The Windows Server Hyper-V is a virtualization platform that enables you to create and manage virtual machine. It is a features of Windows Server operating system and is available in both the standard and data center edition. Hyper-V allow you to run multiple operating systems on a single physical machine, thereby reducing hardware cost and increasing efficiency. You can download and evaluate Hyper-V Server 2022 for free from Microsoft Evaluation Center. So I'm going to install Open Server Manager and click on Add Roles and Features and click on Next, and role based or feature based installation, click on Next, and by default server selected and click on Next. Here I'm going to select Hyper-V and click on Add Features and then click Next, and here you need to select Ethernet port. In my system by default one port is available, so I'm going to select that and click on Next, and virtual machine migration leave like this and click on Next. The default location for virtual hard disk files going to save C drive, because in my server only C partitions is available. So if you want, you can change any other drive. Click on Next. Restart the destination server automatically if required, then click Confirm and install. Now the installation progress is started. Here it will take some time, so please wait until the installation complete. And the installation completed. I'm gonna close this. On the server manager, click on Tools, and here you can see the Hyper-V manager is installed. On the right side you can see here few options is there, so you can manage one's operating system installed. I'm gonna go click on the action and select new, click on virtual machine. Okay, on the same time, if you want, you can select on the right side. Here is the options, virtual machine. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna click this, and before you begin, click on Next and specify name and location. Windows 10. I'm going to install Windows 10 operating system. Okay, I have the ISO file, and here is the option store the virtual machine in a different location. You can change any other drive, E and F. So in this case I'm not going to change any location. Click Next, and the generation 1, the virtual machine generation supports 32-bit and 64-bit guest operating system and provides virtual hardware which has been available in all previous version of Hyper-V. And the generation 2, this virtual machine generation provides support for newer virtualization features, has UEFI based firmware and requires a supported 64-bit guest operating system. So I'm gonna select the first options, click on Next, and here you need to specify the memory, like the RAM space. Okay, you need to increase. Now default I'm using 1024 MB memory, and click on Next. And connect to virtual hard disk size 127, default selection is there, so I'm gonna enter here 50 GB. Okay, and when you click on this using existing virtual hard disk, you can connect with location and browse and show the path. In this case I'm going to select create a virtual hard disk 50 GB and click on Next. And here is the option install an operating system later. So I'm going to select install an operating system from a bootable CD or DVD. Click on the second option and you can choose image file ISO and browse the location. In the C drive I have the Windows ISO file. Select Windows 10 and click on next, and these are the selections we have done. Then click on finish. As you can see, the Windows 10 is created. I'm going to select the Windows 10 and right click and click on start, and here you can see the Windows 10 is ready to install. And now we have successfully installed Windows 10 operating system. On the right side you can see few options, and this is Hyper-V settings and below Windows 10 settings. Okay, and there is an option stop service and remove server. If you click on remove, local server is removed from the Hyper-V manager. Windows 10 settings, turn off and shut down, these are the options is here, and you can rename and export and move. And if I click on the settings, these are the virtual hardware. Okay, we have a selected, and this is BIOS and security. If you want, after shutdown you can increase the RAM. Okay, and the virtual processor, and this is virtual hard drive, and these are the selections is available here. And dear all viewers, this is the way how to install Hyper-V. And if you like this video, please do support me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.